My name is Sisay Yeshwark. I was born in Lalibela. I love music very much, especially the Ethiopian modern music. Let me sing one song, the song of Theodros Taddese. እስኪ ስሚ የልቤን አድምጠሽ ሰምተሽ ምላሽ ስጪኝ አንድ በይኝ በትዝታሽ በትር በናፍቆት አትግጪኝ ደርሰሽ ባየሽልኝ ገላዬ እንደሳሳ ደርሰሽ ባየሽልኝ አካሌ እንደከሳ እንዴት ያንቺን ጠረናሄ ያንቺን ገላ ልርሳ
We are now in a mechanical workshop which is owned by Sis and Fish, the twins brothers. This is their workshop which they are doing different varieties of mechanical equipment. Like here we have Angela making plates. They manufacture doors and windows over there.
Which are aimed at helping people to help themselves. Also include the mechanical workshop. Metal parts, windows, and window frames are manufactured there. Things are going so well for small businesses that the owner has already taken on 3 employees. There is another workshop not far away. It makes cookers and other appliances. The small business is so successful that it supplies its products nationwide.
Ich habe es schon mal gesehen und ich bin unglaublich am Staunen.
I'm always astonished and so impressed at how innovatively and efficiently people
When I was a child, I had my twin brother Sisay. I have no father and mother, which means I have familyless during the time when I was a child. Now I meet with Dr. Peter. He's support me with my family, and I can learning during the time properly my education. When I finished my education, he's opened the metal and electrical workshop. He's opened my own workshop. Now, more than 10 employees in the workshop, and I have any items, any types of stoves by using metal sheet construction and by using any types of metals. And now, this time, I have a patent. And this is my new product. Before, in the workshop, I have many types of stove. And traditional stove, without thermostat, without any controlling system. Now, these new stoves have a patent by using thermostat to save energy. These stoves are saves electricity in the usual stove. Now the percent is 30 up to 40% back bill payment for the people. And now this is user friendly. You can maintain without technician to put these heating elements simply. And you can connect inside the connector. This is a connector. This is a connector to connect here. And maybe the damage the heating element, you can dispose it here and to put the new one, another, without technician. And this is user friendly. This is affordable to use, easy by using thermostat, and you can save energy. Yes. Now let me show you. I have a license from the federal government and from relevant institute, the Ethiopian intellectual property. This is which is automatic electric stove, stove, and this is also the certificate from relevant institutes and thermal efficiency. This is thermal efficiency, 50.6% to save electricity. Time of boiling and any. Time of boiling of 1 kg of water, 13 minutes and 37 seconds. And the total is 50%, 50.6% thermal efficiency. This is my certificate, Petroleum and Energy Authority. And this is a regarding paper. This is the flute of PVF. This is the flute of PVF. When I am starting, during the time I was a child. Now here I am. I have a patent. This is the flute of PVF. Thank you, PVF. እስከ ዛሬ እስከ መሞት አልዳንኩም ፍጹም በኩልነት ስደክም አቅሜ የተሳነኝ ካምናው በሽታዬ አልዳንኩም ገና ነኝ ሕይወቴ እስከምጠቅል ሸክም ድንጋይ እስከ መጨረሻ ሆኜሽ አገልጋይ ከመሞት አልድንም አትጠራጥሪ ስጋዬ ምላንቺው ነው አታርገኝ ብጣሪ ልፋቴ ላንቺ መረረኝ አላልኩም ይሄው እስከ ዛሬ እስከ መሞት አልዳንኩም ፍጹም በዓለም ላይ ብጨክን ጭራሽ ብመንንም ፍጡር በመሆኔ ከመሞት አልዳንኩም ከመሞት አልድንም አትጠራጥሪ ስጋዬ ምላንቺው ነው አታርገኝ ብጣሪ